the results might be. Back in 2011, I used to search up my name on Google every now and then, but the results were very disappointing. But I think I'm going to be searching my name on Bing and Google today and see what are the results now, almost 10 or maybe 11 years later. Okay. Okay, so here is the Bing search. So I went on ahead and searched it prior to making this video because I was a bit afraid that the results might be embarrassing this time as well. So I have two tabs open here. The first tab, and this tab is showing the Bing search results for my entire name, and then in the second tab we have the Google search results for my whole name. So at first, let's check out the Bing search results. So at first we have my academia profile there, and then my academia profile once again. Then a few of my YouTube videos are being recommended here, videos of Zahed. There we go. And then there I have my LinkedIn profile. So this is the search result for my LinkedIn profile. Then I have, this is my Udemy profile here. Then this is my tutorials point profile. And then they're showing a PDF of what is it, kind of a note that I published on Academia. Not published, kind of just put it there. Then I have, what is this? I have no idea what this is. I'm guessing this is something connected to LinkedIn. Okay, then we have the profile description, tutorials point. Once again, this is the same result as the former page. Then here is my Microsoft Excel course on tutorials point. Then we have my Microsoft Excel course on greenfer.com. Then we have, I didn't check out this link before. This is my Microsoft Excel Basics course marks evaluation. Let's check it out. I've never seen it before. Let's see what course marks has to say about my Microsoft Excel. Oh, so they're giving me a 9.4 out of 10. That's very generous, I think. That is a great score. I'm really proud of it. Let's see what it says. The course mark score is 9.4 out of 10. Freshness score is 9.9 out of 10. Student feedback is 8.3 out of 10. I think that's pretty good too. And then content score is 9.4 out of 10. Great, that's great. Then we have table of contents, the description. This is the same description I wrote, so this is not theirs. They just put my description here. Then let's see requirements. This is what I wrote as well. Okay, let's see. This section isn't written by me. These are the ones that they evaluated. Let's see what they have to say about me. Who is the instructor? Is Zahed a scam or a trusted instructor? Wow, am I a scam? I am a person. I'm not a scam. Let's see what they have to say about me. Zahed has created 4 courses that got 261 reviews. It's a bit backdated. I think the reviews are over 300 now. And generally positive. Zahed has taught, the student number is backdated as well. I received 4.5 average review out of 261. Depending on the information available, Zahed is a trusted instructor. Okay, so they did not say anything bad about me, otherwise it would have been embarrassing. Then they have some other suggestions for the courses of other people as well. Students are also interested in other Microsoft Excel courses that are available there. Okay, so there we go. So course marks is giving my Excel course a 9.4 out of 10. That's really great. Okay, now let's moving on. We have this is a blog post that I made a while ago, maybe last year, or no, I made it on December 2020, and then I never checked it again. Okay, so let's see what kind of a blog I made. I don't even remember my own blog. Okay, so here, this is the blog that I made back in December of 2020, and I think it's still up to date, even though I did not change anything. I don't know what I put in the codes, so I have no idea. I mean, I just made it for fun. I had my semester break was going on, and I had nothing to do. So I thought, hey, why not make a blog in this free time? So I wasted about 30 hours making this blog, and then after a month I even forgot about my own blog. Okay, let's see, I put in a few tabs here: channel, software, tutorial. So I gave connection to some free tutorials here. Then courses, this is a free course as well. Back then I didn't have any paid courses. All of my courses were free, but since no one actually valued my free courses, I then switched to paid courses. But still, there are some free courses available as well, and there are scholarships as well. If someone contacts me for scholarship, I usually give the scholarship to them. Okay. Alright, then we have also a news tab here as well. So I don't think I ever bought a domain for it. Maybe that's one of the reasons why I don't remember about my blog. So I did not use any money. So this blog is not live. So this is just a draft blog, but as we can see, it can be found through search. Okay. Then moving on, what else we have here? Okay. That's let's see, www.upt.edu award Dean PDF. So I once received Dean's awards. I think this is the list for that. So here's my ID and name, and there are some other names of other students who got their Dean's award then as well. Okay, then next we have Excel basics. So Coursevania. So Coursevania, let's see what Coursevania has to say. So Coursevania, it looks like an affiliate site. They're just showing off my course here, and I guess if someone uses this link to buy my course, then Coursevania gets some affiliate percentages. That's my guess about Coursevania. I really don't know much about Coursevania. I just saw it right now. Okay, moving on. Let's see. We have Bengali baby names starting from okay. That's not me. And this is me as well. Again, I think this PDF is quite popular. Otherwise, this wouldn't have popped up so many times. All right, let's see. I think I'll go check on my academia profile how well this PDF is doing, how many views it's getting. All right. Then we have, let's see, what is this? That's my blog post again. Then we have best ArcGIS courses online in 2021. MadBright. Wow, they even put my name on the best ArcGIS courses online 2021 MadBright. Let's see what it has to say about my course. Best ArcGIS courses. So here, ArcGIS from beginner to pro. This is my course created by Zahed, Zisan. Price paid. Okay. So they have to talk about my course here. Creating online dashboard story maps, ArcGIS online. This is someone else's course. Okay, so I think my ArcGIS course is one of the best ArcGIS courses in 2021, according to MadBright. That's something to be proud of, I guess. Alright, let's move on. Then we have again, what is this, top 5 ArcGIS courses of the 2022. Wow, I think I've been nominated 2 years in a row. Not me, my course. Top ArcGIS courses in 2022. Let's see if my course is here or not. The most effective ArcGIS training course of 2021. Then it's just of 2021, not 2022. This is not me again. Here, this is me in the 3rd position. Well, 3rd position is great too. I mean, I never expected to be in any position, let alone 3rd position. Okay, so I think these are the results for 2021 because 2022 just started. So yeah, that's it. Let's go back to our search and see what else we have. Discover, that's not me. Military Institute, that's not me either. Let's see in the 4th page. I think we're circling around now. So, top 10 universities, no. Okay, I think the results ended for me. So, from nobody to I have now 3 top page results in Bing search. So let's see how I do on Google. Here we go. In Google search, we have at first they're showing the LinkedIn profile, my LinkedIn profile. Then they're showing my Udemy profile. And there are some Zisan Zahed's YouTube suggestions. I'm not Zisan Zahed, so this is not me. Then they're showing my Facebook as well. This is my personal Facebook. Please do not send me a bunch of requests. I will not accept unless I know you personally. Then what is this? Civil engineering.more tutorials. This is Instagram. I don't think I have Instagram, or maybe I opened Instagram once at a point and then I forgot about it. Okay, I think I forgot the password, but someone else remembered my password. I don't know what happened. Okay, then we have here is the result for pub loans. I'm not very interested to go to that site live on camera. Then we have, let's see, what is this? Okay. Alright, what is this? I don't know. Why is my name here like that? I'll have to see it later. Then we have, what is this? Callmedog.net. I don't know what this is. I've never seen it. I'd like to see it. Okay, what is Callmedog? I have no idea about what Callmedog is. Average rating. Okay, this rating is up to date. This rating is up to date, and the total reviews is up to date as well. Total student number is up to date as well. So Callmedog is doing a better job than Course Marks, I guess. But Course Marks actually evaluates courses, so it is not very easy to update on a daily basis. And I don't think they're evaluating courses. Thus, I think it is easy for them to update the results here. So I cannot say that Course Marks are or is inferior to Callmedog, because they're not the same thing. Okay, so I have no idea what the total content length means. I think it means the total hours of content, I guess. I don't know, maybe. Okay, so there are my courses. They're even showing my courses and the price of my courses, the original prices of my courses, and even the student numbers, content hours, last update date. Okay, I think I need to update this soon. Okay, I'm never going to be updating this course though, so whoever plans on enrolling to this, remember that this will never be updated. I have no idea why I even put it up as a course in the first place. Maybe it's because people liked it at a time, but to me, I really didn't enjoy this course myself. Okay, I don't think the quality is up to the mark. So I'm not going to be working on this further. But yeah, if I think I am ready to make a course on ETABS, a professional course, then I'll make a new course. But I'm not going to be updating this course. Okay, so let's go back to our Google search and let's see what else we have. Zisan's contact 2021. Get Zahed, that's not me. Again, that's really great because I don't want my email address or phone number to be lying around on the internet for anyone to use. Then we have Zahed ResearchGate. I'm not interested in that as well. Let's go to the next page. And this is Zisan Zahed's TikTok. So whoever Zisan Zahed is, he has a TikTok as well. That's not me again. Again, these are not me, not me, not me. Then this is me, newcoursereview.com. Let's see what newcoursereview.com has to say. Zisan archives, active coupons. Well, I don't know about this. I don't think there are any active coupons now. This might be really backdated. I don't know. This is supposed to be really backdated, because it says $10 coupons. To my knowledge, there are no $10 coupons active right now. So yeah, this is very old. Let's see what else is here. This is a blog post. That's my blog post again, not me. Not me again. Let's go to another page. Not me. This is my course marks for my PowerPoint course. I've never seen this one before as well. Let's check it out. Why is it taking so long? Okay, so here I have a 9.6 scores. I have no idea how I'm getting so much high scores, because in exams I don't think I ever scored frequently that good. I mean, I got good scores rarely, but not frequently. Okay, so Course Marks is rating my PowerPoint course with 9.6 out of 10. Let's see what it says. Course Marks scores is 9.6 out of 10. Freshness score is 10 out of 10. Now that's mind-blowing. Then we have student feedback, which is 8.4 out of 10. I am happy with that as well, but I would have been happy if it were a 9 out of 10, because student feedback is what the section of the grading that is most important to me, because I would like to know how the people are feeling about my courses and how I can make them better, depending on their experiences. But there are some people, who give you some reviews and ratings that are not even relevant. So I'm not talking about those are excluded here, but those who give you genuine rating and reviews, those genuine rating and reviews are something I'm concerned about. Alright, then we have content score. Content score is 9.7 out of 10. I'm happy with that as well. And then the description, I think they copied the description from my course landing page. Okay. So then again, the same thing. Who is the instructor? Is he a scam or a trusted instructor? Okay. Alright, then there are some other PowerPoint courses here. Let's go back to our search. And I think that was it on Google. So on Bing, I got 3 pages all to myself, and on Google, I think I just got the first page and 1 page only, and the second page I got only a few results, and the third page I think I got 1 or 2 results. So I think I have a long way to go before I get a few pages on Google. But on Bing, I think I got 1 to 3 pages with my current activities. So yeah, that was it for this video. So that's something I just wanted to share with everyone that I used to do back in 2011, and the results were mostly depressing, but now I think the results are a bit better. So yeah, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And that wasn't only me. I didn't just type my names. I used to write in my friends' names as well. So if you enjoyed this and found it to be fun, you can try your names on Google or Bing search as well to see what results are showing there. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.